Coming soon this Friday the 4th, charming English cottage on gorgeous 0.72 acre lot in the heart of Hedgemoor. Move right in like it is or great expansion possibilities. Stunning vaulted living room with wood beams and fireplace, light and bright dining room, sunroom/den overlooks deck, patio and yard. Fully equipped kitchen west/gas cooking and wet bar. New irrigation system and sewer line, 2020. Dual heat and air.Pre-listimg inspection/repairs available. Exclude primary bedroom draperies, washer, dryer,